How to factory reset a Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to its original settings. First, make sure to back up anything important, photos, contacts, and files, before proceeding, as this will permanently erase everything on your device. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. Right here, tap on Reset. Next up, tap on Factory Data Reset to begin the process. Moving on, scroll down to review the full list of everything that will be deleted from your device. From here, tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. After that, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Following this, tap on Delete All to confirm and start the wipe. Finally, your device will restart automatically and begin erasing all data. This may take a few minutes, and once it's complete, your phone will boot up fresh, as if it just came out of the box. Hope this guide helped you factory reset your Samsung. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.